Office Talk, Mastering Workplace Communication in English. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another session where we dive deep into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to focus on an integral part of your work life: communicating with colleagues. This will not only improve your conversational skills but also help you establish strong relationships at work. So, let's get started. To communicate effectively at work, it's essential to understand and use the right workplace vocabulary. Here are some commonly used words and phrases. Deadline, the latest time by which something should be completed. Meeting, a gathering of people to discuss issues or make decisions. Project, a piece of work that is planned to achieve a particular aim. Presentation, a talk giving information about something. Report, a detailed account or statement about a subject matter. Remember, knowing the appropriate vocabulary can make your workplace communications smoother and more professional. While talking to your colleagues, it's important to maintain politeness and formality. Here are some phrases you can use. Could you please? This phrase is used to make a polite request. Would you mind if I? Use this when asking for permission. I apologize for. This is how you express regret for a mistake. Could we discuss? Use this to propose a topic for discussion. I appreciate your help with. This phrase is used to thank someone for their assistance. Using polite expressions will ensure a positive and respectful work environment. Email is a common way of communicating in the workplace. Here are some phrases that you can use in professional emails. Dear, name, use this to start an email. I am writing to. Use this to state the purpose of your email. Could you please provide? Use this to ask for information. Thank you for your time. Use this to conclude an email. Best regards. Use this before signing your name. Proper email communication can help you get your point across in a clear and professional manner. Meetings are an integral part of the workplace where proper communication is vital. Here are some phrases that can be used. May I add something here? Use this when you want to contribute to the discussion. What are your thoughts on? Use this when you want to ask for someone's opinion. I didn't catch that. Could you repeat? Use this when you didn't understand or hear something. Just to summarize. Use this when you want to recap what's been discussed. Communicating effectively during meetings can improve your professional reputation and effectiveness. We've now covered some important aspects of communicating with colleagues. From workplace vocabulary to emails, from formalities to meetings, mastering these skills can elevate your English language proficiency and help you thrive at work. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll see a significant improvement in your workplace communication. Hope this video was helpful, and as always, happy learning!